can definitely tell it's a warm one today. Bees are out hot and heavy. If I didn't know better, I'd say that hive is fixing to swarm. There are definitely a lot of bees out. As this hive over here, not nearly as much activity. That one's really busy. Have to watch it. They could be getting ready to swarm because there's bees flying out. I don't know if you can see them out through there. There is bees everywhere. It's a possibility that hive's fixing to swarm. Okay everybody, well, we're fixing to start working on these bees. I got 2 new queens. I got to split these hives. So I'm going to start with this one. Hopefully not get stung. So yep, we're going to bust this hive open. I'm going to show y'all what's going on. The girls are already upset with me being out here because they're bouncing off my veil. But I got to get rid of all the queen cells that's in here and move 5 frames to those other hives over there so I can establish these 2 new colonies. Like I predicted, the girls are getting ready to swarm. So what I got to do is go down through here. Get rid of all the queen cells. Make sure I don't have a queen on any of the frames that I'm going to try to pull out of here. This here, they're filling it with honey. What I'm doing is making sure I'm getting all the queen cells, because if any queen cells get left, they'll kill these new queens that I'm putting in. Then I've got to make sure I don't get the queen when I start putting frames in the other one. Y'all can see this right here, here, right here. If it's picking it up, those are all queen cells. That's what I've got to get off from here. They're not fully developed cells, but they're the cells they're going to put queen larva in. Okay, now what I want to show you right here, this is full of pollen with a little bit of honey, but there's no queen cells on this one. We got these hives split. This is a few days after. I did split the white one there. You can see there's a lot of activity. I did split this one. We're still using the top entrance. We got a new colony established there. And we got a new colony established there. So hopefully both of these will get going. I'm not going to stay out here too long because there's a lot of activity on that hive right there. And I may have to go back into that one and check it one more time because they look like they could have got queen cells going again. But there's a lot of activity right there. Will you survive whatever comes your way? I sure hope so. This is the Massachusetts Prepper saying, take care all.